Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As you already know, this is your US General 5-drawer tool cart with side tray and deep compartment. Today is Friday. You already know what Friday is. It's always a snap-on Friday. You know, the truck just left a little while ago. Got a chance to touch bases with your guy. And we're going to get over here to the side tray, take a little quick preview real quick first of the September catalog, and then we're going to get into a little tool review of something I basically picked up from off the truck this morning. Okay, so we're going to get over here, and as you already know, my signature sitting somewhere in the background, my Dunkin' Donuts coffee as always. And as you can basically see, this is September 19th. They got the power up with the cordless ratchets, screwdrivers, long ratchets, and cordless drills. As you can see, give you a little quick look at what's going on. You have your angle grinders, your cutoff tools, got your 3/8 cordless long reach, got your air hammers, got your cordless impacts. Okay. Let's see. Okay, up here, as you can see, you got your Crew Thug removal air tool. And as you can see down here is the pocket flood flashlight pointers. Basically, that is this here. Okay. Micro lithium batteries and Bluetooth speakers. Okay, you got your air hammers. Okay, these are gonna basically be the new Bogle deals getting ready to come. And 1/4-inch swivels, 6-piece, 6-point metric flank drives. Okay, and basically those are the part numbers: 106 IPTMMA and 106 IPTMA. Then also on the Bogle deals, you get a 12-piece 1/4-inch drive, 6-point metric flank drive, deep impact socket set. You get metric and ASAE. Your video and inspection scopes. Okay. This is something else that they got going on, the 73-inch 15-drawer triple bank KCP series roll cab. Okay. So basically we're gonna get into, you know, what I just basically picked up this morning from off the truck. So we're gonna get to that. Okay, basically as you can see, this is the new wireless charge lighting system that basically comes with 2 lights with a magnetic base that can basically stick anywhere. Okay, and as you can see, the part number is ECFLPRA350. Okay, Okay, as you can see on the back, it has the highlight output. The smaller lamp is approximately 300 lumens. Okay, and then as you can see here, the highlight output approximity of the bigger light is 500 lumens. And basically, this is what you're getting in the kit. It's water resistant with its magnetic design for hands-free. Okay, just to give you another clear shot view. And once again, this is your wireless charge lighting system. And once again, the part number is ECFLPRA350. Okay. If you're looking to pick up this item, it goes for about $225 on a truck, but I got it basically a little bit cheaper than that, you know, because like I said, I pick up certain equipment from off the truck on a regular, so you know I get a little tight discount, but that's just basically what it is. Okay, so that's gonna be your snap-on tool haul review today on the wireless charge lighting system and the September 2019 catalog. And once again, this is your 5-drawer US General tool cart, the side tray and deep compartment. Until the next review, when the next items come in, you'll be the first to know. Okay, so basically until further review, scream at you later. Peace.